What's up guys, it's your boy Junior here, bringing you another great video to the channel. If this is your first time here, a little thing we do here is we do a lot of product reviews, tech reviews, app reviews when there's some around to show you, website reviews when I find some good ones that you guys might enjoy. I do game reviews at times because my main thing is gaming. And I do live gaming on top of that, guys. And sometimes I throw in some how-tos and tutorials and vlogs. And of course, I live stream from time to time when it's not gaming. But most of the time, I just live stream when I'm gaming. But just there's a bunch of things we do here. You like any of that stuff, you're more than welcome to join the channel. All you gotta do is click on the subscribe button, enable bell notifications so you get notified every time we drop great videos like this one or whenever we go live. Because trust me guys, you're not gonna wanna miss out on things what I do here. All right, with that said, today we're gonna go over this great product, this great company sent out to me. Typhone, they sent me a great product to review for you guys, and I think it's an awesome product for you guys to check out. For anybody that has a home office or they have a desk setup and they do streaming, this product right here, it works perfect. One crucial thing when it comes to streaming, guys, that you should always think about, don't put it on the back burner, don't let it go to waste. Actually get some good quality stuff for this. It's lighting. As you guys know, I have the Elgato stream lights on top. There, you can see it right there. I have those when every time I go live streaming. They've been working great. The reason I got those because those are so bright, and you see how high they are because I have double stack monitors right here, so they actually work perfect away. Sometimes they're so bright, I either gotta turn it down temperatures, but that's a pain in the butt sometimes because I gotta go into the settings, turn out the temperatures, or what I do is just flip them around and bounce the light off the wall and reflect back, and it works great. I mean, those lights will work great. But a lot of people don't want to spend the money on these because these are priced. Each light is $150 each. So a lot of people don't want to spend it for 2 lights, $300. I don't blame them. I'm a different species. I like to get high quality stuff that I know is gonna work for me. So I went with them. I have a lot of Elgato products. With that said, I do a lot of things. But for my budget friendly people, you still want to get good quality lights, I have the perfect product for you right here. This is right here. It is the cantilever bracket LED fill light. It's an awesome light. It's a little bit smaller than the Elgato stream lights, and they work just the same. But the difference with this is the all-in-one piece desk mount lighting. So if you have a home office that you do a lot of video conference, this will work great. Another thing, when you go live streaming, you could use it for that. And the budget on this is so good, guys. You can get 2 of these if you want to be symmetrical and have lights on both ends. You're gonna spend for 2 of these less than 1 of these. So for my budget-friendly people, just to want to put that out there. All right. Right now they do having a sale going on right now. These are going for $59.99, but they're normally $79.99. Even at the normal price, they're still cheaper than these for each one. All right. So we're gonna open it up and show you what is inside. This is the box right here. Let me bring it up close so you guys can see. You see it says cantilever bracket LED fill light. That's the model number right there. And basically the light's right here, and then right here is the bar, and it comes with a desk mount right there. Just wanted to show you what the box looks like. All right, it's a regular box, so we're gonna open it up and show you what's inside this box real quick before we mount it, because I'm gonna mount it and show you how everything works. Hopefully the camera doesn't destroy the lighting. So when you first get it, guys, it comes in like this. You got the manual right here. And one thing I do like about this, that it's not on the Elgato Streamlight like I have up here. This has the light control right on the bar itself. So where you mount it, the bar right there has the lighting control right there. On the Elgato, you need the software to control the lighting and everything. I like the fact that this has the lighting control right here. All right, so I'm gonna put this to the side here so I don't lose it because I do want to keep it. All right, and then this right here, you have a little box right here. This is the power cable for it. All right, and then you got the whole lighting right here. So I'm gonna put this down real quick and I'm gonna take out the lighting because I do want to show you what the lighting looks like. All right, we take out the light. This is the whole lighting kit right here, as you see. So I'm gonna take out the wrapping right here so you guys can see. So it's very compact, so which I like. So this works anyway. This is very portable and everything. So this is what it looks like. This is the back part of it. You see it's a clean, sleek look on the back. Very compact. So you basically put this down and it's very strong, so it doesn't like just fall down or go different directions when you don't want it. All right, so this is the lighting right here. As you see, it's a white light right here. And then right here, like I mentioned, it has the control buttons right here. So you got your power button right here, your mode, so your different, I guess your different colors. You got the temperature up and down, like to dim it. And then you, oh, I guess this is a power button. I mean, this is the timer button, I guess. And this is a power button right here. We'll check it all those out when I mount it up. But as you see, just to bring it closer, you guys can see. Those are the difference. Like I guess, I don't know, I guess rotating, I don't know what that is. That's your mode, your bright higher, bright lower, and then your power button. And here's the desk mount right here, which is, I think is pretty cool. And you just mount it right here. And then right back here is where you plug in the power cable on. So I like the fact, unlike the Elgatos, when you use the Elgato Streamlights, you have to plug them up here and run the wire down here and tie them down against the pole and then run it down. With this, it makes it a lot cleaner. They just put the power cable right on the bottom near the bracket of the desk mount. So it's very easy to use, which I really like. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna put this away. Put this to the side over here and show you how big it is. I'm gonna mount it right on my desk right here. So I'm gonna mount it right here. Let me bring this down. And then I'm gonna mount it right here. So you can see right here, I'm mounting it right now, guys. Look at this. All right, so now it's mounted there. I put it there strong, which is really strong. So you could tilt it down, up and down. As you see, you could tilt it all the way down like that if you wanna use it like that. Up to you. Tilt it up like this, and you know, you can put it any angle you want. You configure it the way you want. And the thing I like about this, unlike these, the Elgato ones, these swirl to the left and right. Look at that. So let's say I want to put it here and then I want to flip it around here. Put it near my camera, because I got my webcam right here. So I want to put it near my webcam. I can put it like that, and if I have another one there, I can put it there. I can adjust it anywhere I want, this is a very good, convenient way to have your light set up. And I like it. The only thing I do not like is that the arm is so short. If it had a longer arm, it'll be great. But remember, then again, the Streamlights up here, they don't come with legs. You gotta get your own mounting bracket. Actually, no, they do come with legs. It's just straight up. They don't have to come out this way or up. And this light has this whole bracket. You can put it out. You can keep it straight up. That's the only thing I really like about it. And then all the wire inside here, and all you have to do is plug in right here. That's it. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna get the power brick right here, like I showed you, inside this little white box right here. Open it up. Very simple. All right, I'm gonna bring it out. All right, so. And the wire, let's see how long it is, because you know sometimes they give you short wires with these lights and stuff. With the Elgatos, I barely have enough space to reach to where I needed to have my power source at. So, all right, so we're gonna go ahead and bring this down. All right, so you got a good, I wanna say 7 feet of wire. Let me go ahead and, because I'm 6 feet tall, so if this comes as tall as me, at least, it's 6 feet tall. All right, so it is higher than me. It's about maybe a half a foot. It's maybe 7 feet tall, like I mentioned, like maybe 6.5, 6 feet tall. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna plug my plug right here. I have a on top of the desk plug up here. All right, and we're gonna plug it in. I'm gonna plug it in and I'm gonna connect it right here. All right. So as soon as you connect it, let me turn it back around. Let me bring it here. I want to show you what it looks like, the lighting and everything. All right, so as soon as you plug in, you see a light that come out here. You don't see it now because it turned off. All right, so what I did, guys, for some reason, it wasn't giving me much power back here. I don't know why it kept cutting off. The light was coming off. So I plugged into the wall, which I have an extension on the floor right here. So I just plugged it in right here, so it wasn't too much trouble. I was gonna plug it back here because I have a plug back here, but I just made it simple, just did it there. So now we're gonna go ahead and turn this on. As you see, it's touchscreen. I didn't have to do much to it. Look, I just touch it one time and it turns off. Look how nice that comes on. You guys see how it turns on, right? Boom. And it's pretty bright, so you guys can see. So I'm gonna hit the up and down thing. So that makes it brighter. I believe that's the brightest we could go. The lightest, let's go bring it down. And almost off. You can see it's still on because if I turn off the power, you see it turned off. So, and it turns back on, that's the lowest. So that's the lowest. We're gonna put it back up a little so you can see what the other modes do. So there's the M right here. Like I said, I think that's mode. So we're gonna click on the M and it shows you the different color temperatures. So there's 3 color temperatures as I can see. You got the hyper white or white, whatever you want, white light. You got the warm color, and then you got like a dirty white color. I don't know what to name this one. It's a lighter white, because that's the lighter one, and that's a brighter white. So you got those 3 modes. So you got your different temperatures. So like I said on top, there's something on top that I don't know what that does. Just click on it and see what happens. So it looks like it's a timer. Once you push it, it starts going down. I'm assuming it didn't do anything. There's 2 modes to it. I have no idea. I would have to read the manual, see exactly what it does, but not too sure with that. But as you see, guys, look at this great product. The thing is awesome. I think this is a real budget-friendly way to put lighting in your setup. This works for home offices. If you do a lot of video conference and your area of workplace is not that bright, you saw how bright this is. Honestly, if you do it just for home office and video conferencing, you only need 1. Now, if you do it for content creation, you need some lighting, this will work if you have 2. I know with the Elgato ones, you only need 1, but I have 2 because symmetrically, I like it like that. I like to be symmetric. And I would do the same thing with this one. So remember, for 2 of these is the price of 1 of these. So I suggest you would get this if you're looking for some lighting in your equipment. I think this is a great setup to have. It's very organized, very compact. And if you want to put it away in the corner, you can put it down like this. Look at that, close it up completely. Put it up like this and then just put it away. Or you could just put it away this way. Let me see, and then bring it up this way. Oh no, you can't bring it up that way. But yeah, but you could turn it to any way you want. They had it like this when they shipped it. You can put it away like this, and you can put it to the side. Like if I put it in the corner over here, it'd be great. But like again, like I said, if the legs were longer, it'll be working great on the end. Also, I'm only saying that because this is my desk setup. If you have a smaller desk, remember this is a 70-inch wide desk. So I have a very big desk. For the reasons for the monitors and my setup, I need that space. I need that real estate for all this stuff. So that's why it wouldn't work for me if I put it to the side. If I put it up here in the front, yes, it'll work, but it's gonna be very inconvenient for me when I'm moving stuff around. So this will not work for me, but it can work for almost anybody else. So guys, again, check them out. I'll leave a link to their website down below so you can go and check them out and then see what other products they have. They have a lot of great stuff on there you can check out. And I'll leave a direct link down below to their Amazon store where you can buy this. This will be directly to the Amazon product, and boom, click on that link and you can buy it. Right now they're having a 15% sale. I think that's what it said, 15% sale. So you can get this for under 60 bucks. Normally they run for 80, I believe, yeah, 80, 79.99. So 80 bucks they run for, but you can get it right now for 59.99, under 60 bucks, guys. I think this is a great product right now. Go ahead and check it out. All right, guys, so that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoy everything I had to show you today. If you did, go ahead and give me a big old thumbs up. Show me all the love and support that you guys love to show me. Also, don't forget to hit that share button because sharing is caring. And we want to make sure that everyone's aware of everything we do on this channel so they don't miss out, just like you're not missing out. And if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, put them in the comment box down below and I'll get to you as soon as I can, when I can, as fast as I can. And also, guys, if you still haven't done it to the end of this video, hit the subscribe button and enable bell notifications so you get notified every time we drop great videos like this one or whenever we go live. Because trust me, guys, you never ever want to miss out. And that's it for today, guys. Until next time, I'm out of here. Peace.